For any business to be successful, it's no surprise they need to advertise. Promoting a business, product, or service is a big part of a business's success, so it can grow. There are many different ways to promote a business, but the costs involved can vary dramatically. This is why flyers are still one of the very best ways to get your product or service in front of your audience. And the reason for that is very simple. They work. Did you know that nearly 50% of people pay more attention to a flyer than to an email? So let me ask you a question. Do you think it is easy to design a pro-quality flyer? Well, if you do, you thought wrong. It takes a lot of time and design experience to make pro-looking flyers that look amazing. So there must be a much easier way to create pro-quality flyers, right? That is why our team have spent the last 6 months developing this monster package of very easy-to-edit flyer templates that everyone can use, even with no design experience or Photoshop skills. Eazy Flyers is a brand new collection of flyer templates anyone can use. The best part is you don't need any technical or design skills. You don't even need Photoshop because all the flyers can easily be edited with Microsoft PowerPoint, a program that you should already have installed on your PC. Forget ever again having to spend a fortune hiring graphic designers, agonizing Photoshop sessions, and low-quality outsourced designs. If you can move your mouse and click a few buttons, you'll be able to easily edit our designs in a few minutes. Today, get access to Eazy Flyers for a single one-time payment, lower than the price of one single template on other sites. Check out the rest of the details below and grab this special offer before it ends.